Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Shopify inventory management issues, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing the current state of your inventory management. Log into your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the products section. Review your current inventory levels to identify discrepancies. Check for items that are out of stock or overstocked. Use the filtering options to sort products by quantity. Next, ensure that all products have accurate SKUs assigned. If any items are missing SKUs, assign unique identifiers to each product. Audit your inventory sources to confirm they are accurately reflected in Shopify. Integrate any external inventory management software you may be using. Ensure that your Shopify store is set to automatically update inventory levels as products are sold. Now, review your fulfillment settings within Shopify. Confirm that you have the correct fulfillment locations set up. Adjust your shipping and handling rules to streamline order processing. If you experience shrinkage, investigate potential causes. This may include theft, loss, or damage to your products. Implement a regular inventory count schedule to maintain accuracy. Now, utilize Shopify apps designed for inventory management. Explore popular options like Stocky, TradeGecko, or inventory management tools available in the Shopify App Store. Consider utilizing barcode scanning technology to simplify stock monitoring. This will help speed up the check-in and checkout process for inventory. Next, review your product listings to ensure accurate descriptions and pricing. Inaccurate information can lead to inventory issues and customer dissatisfaction. Establish a clear set of processes for receiving new stock. Train your staff on these procedures to ensure consistency. If necessary, create a manual that outlines your inventory management steps. Regularly analyze your sales data to forecast inventory needs. Use this data to make informed decisions about restocking. Consider implementing a just-in-time inventory system if applicable to your business model. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.